Dr. Marsh is joining us here in our WKYC studios. We normally visit you at your offices at the corner of Cedar and Brainerd.
I'm glad to be here today.
It's good to have you in the neighborhood.
Thank you.
Now, you have brought some patients with you to kind of demonstrate filling a gap.
Yeah, so not physically, we brought their photos because there's a lot of different ways when people have spaces, whether it's developmental, they lost a tooth. There's some neat ways we can do it with today's dentistry.
Right, well, let's take a look at some of the gaps that you filled.
Thanks, Joe.
All right, we'll start with this first patient.
Okay, so Kevin had an old crown. You can see that on the right front. And he also had space. His teeth had drifted over the years. So we did that with just a couple of crowns in the front to close the space. We did some bonding on the other teeth. Sometimes we use a combination to get that beautiful smile.
Wow, what a difference.
So this is Jerry, and you can't tell, but Jerry lost that upper right front tooth. He's walked around like that for years. His lower teeth were crowded. We actually did an all porcelain bridge. It's called zirconium. It's strong, it's beautiful, and we reshaped the lowers to give him that beautiful smile.
Now, sometimes spaces are bigger than others.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this was a big one. We wanted to attempt it because she's in her 80s and she wanted a beautiful smile. Her daughter brought her in. And I said, with some reshaping of the teeth and actually some porcelain veneers, we can do it. Wow. We did a wax prototype to make sure we could. And lastly, Mike's in his 50s. He was recently divorced, wanted to date again, wanted a beautiful smile.
Wow.
So we did that with just 4 porcelain veneers and some reshaping of the teeth.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you're feeling a little spaced out, Dr. Marsh can definitely help you. 440-461-1003 is his number to call. His website, it's awesome, it's easy, clevelandsmiles.com. Doctor, you've put so many smiles on so many faces. I just wonder how many that are watching right now are going to come see you.
It'd be my pleasure to see you.
A lot.
Thank you.